Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Quick Launch into XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find additional settings. Here we got against the shortcuts option, go into, and now on the top we got this block, it's Quick Launch option. So maybe let's activate launch camera. So here we got two options, double press the power key or double press volume down when the screen is locked. So activate to this option and let's try. Double press the power key, and how you can see camera is open. So let's try again. And double press volume down when the screen is locked. And how you can see camera is open too. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.